Okay, and the next thing about this molten gold nature, because this infusion of the Holy Spirit also creates in you, like, like the printing of, like, the renewed, so to speak, flesh. Okay, this is the not new nature yet, but the so to speak, encroachment of the molten gold new nature, like, onto a person. Okay, so like, even the spirit which I depicted like this kind of gets transferred here and is kind of sealed in that molten gold nature. And the physicality also receives this molten gold nature, and by this new not new but renewed flesh is connected to this molten gold nature. All right, and this condition, if also demons are rebuked, is much more strong than just uh, this red Holy Spirit, which I depicted like this, meaning it's impenetrable medium, impenetrable environment for the wicked spirits. So they may just not bother, even bother. All right. So, and when in the when you connected to the Holy Spirit, you can discern and say yes to something, no to something. When you are soaked and by the by the new nature, this molten gold nature. All right, you can literally almost say not yes to everything, but meaning like you are gorging with your spirit, with your heart all the time on this molten gold nature. You like ingesting it. Okay, it's the new environment you are swimming, your mind, your heart is swimming in, like it used to be before conversion, kind of soaked with curse of like the black goo of demonic spirits. So if given that a person is completely soaked with the new molten gold nature, and whatever he does, he conveys and injects this nature because you completely covered. And on the physical, it doesn't matter. That may be what is said in 2 Corinthians by Apostle Paul, that Jesus Christ is our eternal yes. It's like yes to everything. Like, it's not, no, the nay and the yeah ceases, and it's our eternal yeah. Okay, eternal yeah, our Jesus Christ. But at the same time, the connection to this molten gold nature is conditional. And when Jesus says in his parables, whosoever deny me before man, or Apostle Paul says in Timothy, 2 Timothy 2:12, if we disown him, he disowns us. This molten gold nature behaves exactly like this. Okay, so when Jesus was saying about, whosoever deny me, I will deny in front of my Father, it's probably the description of such a condition fits this molten gold nature. All right, unfortunately, even though Jesus Christ, it's like overwhelming. He's like the baptism of the Holy Spirit, the action of the baptism of the Holy Spirit, the intensity seems like especially initial phases seems like bigger and take higher residence and come from higher place even than this molten gold nature. Okay, and you perceive that yeah, Jesus Christ is completely coming from Godhead, completely from Godhead. But again, uh, if uh, in terms of denying or not denying, and how the certain spiritual like this molten gold nature behaves,